Right guys, often enough I get asked what would I recommend as a daily moisturiser or some way to keep moisture in the hair.
Speak to us, master! Speak to us!
One of my favourites, again, I'm starting to look like I'm kissing Kirika's body, but I'm not. This is one of my favourites, conditioning cream hairdress. It's a cream. It's not too heavy, but again, I think it's all down to how you use the products as well. As you can see, it's like a whipped kind of cream. It's really nice and fluffy. So depending on how much you use will determine like whether it weighs down your hair or not. It's a really nice product. Keeps the hair really soft and smooth. I use it on relaxed hair, when I'm pressing, depending on what the person's hair is like. I also like to use it before I'm doing a weave. So what I'll do is I'll cane roll the hair and I'll add this before I start doing my cane rolls. And just to ensure there's that little bit more moisture in the hair. So that's Kirika, that's one of the ones I really like. And then anyone who knows me from like maybe 5 years ago will know that this, how do you say this? Orofluido oil is like my favourite serum on the planet. This is really good if you have like fine hair, if you've got mixed textures, or if you're someone who you find that your hair produces a lot of oil by itself quite naturally. I'd recommend using this. Although it's an oil, I'll show you. Hang on, get some clean fingers for y'all. Although it's an oil, you can see it's not too runny, so it's not that greasy. It's more of an elixir or a serum rather than an oil. If I rub it in, you can see it's greasy, but it's not heavy. You can see my fingers quite light, and it feels very silky and soft, and it gives the hair that silky and soft feeling. So like I said, I recommend this if you've got finer hair or mixed textures and you're worried about leaving the hair too greasy and stuff. It's the wicked product to use.